What's going on, guys? Chris here with C4 Armory. I'm here with Matt from Ruger, and we're going to talk a little bit about the RXM. So, Matt, what can you tell us?
Oh, Chris, we're thrilled to have this. Is a brand new gun for this year. It's a Ruger RXM, and it's R for Ruger, and the M is Magpul. This was a collaborative project where we did our strengths, and we let Magpul do what they're best at as well.
Nice.
So we are using Magpul's G19 15-round PMag.
Yep.
We ship with 2 of those.
Great.
And Magpul did their enhanced handgun grip technology. So this points well, fits well. It's got their wonderful texture that's aggressive without hurting you.
Yes.
Without catching all your clothing.
Yes.
Works well, feels good. Big flared magwell, generous trigger guard undercut. It just feels
I noticed
great.
that immediately when I pick it up.
And so we're shipping this as a stealth gray. I know the black EHG is available as well. I think we'll see the full color palette from Magpul soon.
Okay, that'd be nice.
So, this is a 4-inch, 9mm striker-fired gun. Like, we all are familiar with that format. So we've made this to be a modular platform. And that is built around this stainless steel fire control insert. That's the actual serialized component to the gun. And we can remove that from the EHG, 2 pins a minute. It's super simple. And this is also highly Glock 19 Gen 3 compatible. So it's the holster fit, it's sights and slides and barrels and triggers, almost everything out there that exists in that aftermarket space fits the RXM.
So a lot of the parts that everybody already has.
Yeah, and it's one thing just to be compatible. We tried to make it a great pistol out of the box. So everyone gets a Glock and changes the sights. These are metal sights, front and rear. It's got a nice deep square U-notch in the back, a tritium front with a white outline. And then the slide is also, with a cover plate installed, milled for direct mount of RMR, RMSC, Delta Point Pro footprint optics. It's ready to go.
You're good to go, yeah.
Yep. So MSRP is $499.
Okay.
Highly affordable. There's no reason you shouldn't check one out.
Can we take a look at the internals?
Absolutely. So clear gun, dry fire, remove the slide just like you normally would for disassembly and cleaning.
Yep.
Everything here is just as you expect. So captive, everything is just as you expect it to be, with barrel and recoil spring and guide rod all captive. And then in the frame we can see the chassis that's inside.
Okay.
And there's the 2 pins that are holding it in. The takedown lever slide out the side, and this whole fire control insert will pull right out of that grip frame.
And I see that the pins are just a little bit different. They don't look like a factory type pin. They're a little bit different of a shape, right?
Yeah, so the front pin in particular, it comes from the right to left. So it's got a bigger head on the shooter's left. It's very obvious which way you're going to install it.
Right.
Those pins slide right out, super easy.
All right, awesome. All right, Matt, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
All right, guys, Ruger, check them out. We'll see you in the next video.